Hello guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional with extra puzzles and Sudokus in today's newspaper on Tuesday, yes, Tuesday, August the 3rd, 2021. I will do 4 Sudokus today in the additional. I've already solved one, the 3-star Sudoku, so now I will continue with the 2-star Sudoku. The 2-star Sudoku, this one will be number 3189. Alright, 3189. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. And for a 2-star Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Then, let me see. Okay. Okay. Do, 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 do. One, two. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 in these two boxes. There 7, no 7 in that box. So one box left for the 7 should be there. Alright. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Alright. Then we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 6 should be there. Okay. Then let me see. Yeah. 2, and 5. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1 and 2. Well, we have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in this box. The 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Okay, 1 box left in this row for the number 2. Alright. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 2 should be there. Alright. 3, 4. And then 9. 3 miss. No. 3, 4, 9. I need a 9. Okay. 2 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and a 9. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Alright. Alright. Then. 3, 3, 3, 3. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. Okay. Let me think. 4 and 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5. It should be there. 2, 8. And 9. Okay. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 3 should be there. Right. 2 missing numbers in this column. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8. 5 and 8. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 4 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. We have a 4 there. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 3 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and a 9. That means 1 digit left in this middle column for the number 5. 5 is missing. Alright. 5, 5. 5, 5. Okay. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes again. Okay. 2 and a 9. 8, 8. 5, 5. 3, 3. Okay, 3 in this row, 3 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Okay. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4. 4, 4. 2 missing numbers in this column. Those numbers are the 1 is missing, 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, we see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. So we have a 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. Okay. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last row. 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last column. 8 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 7. We have a 4 and a 7 in the second row, so no 4 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 4 and the 7. Alright, so the other pair in this big square should be the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6, 7, 8, and the 9. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright, 2 missing numbers in the first column for the numbers 4 and the 7. 4 and the 7, 4, 7. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 7. 1 box left in the second row for the number 1. Alright, 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 3 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and 9. Okay. Okay. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 4. Alright. 2 missing numbers in the second column. 2 and a 9. 2 and a 9. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for number 9. Alright, now we have a 9 there. So this box can be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. And this box should be a 3. Okay, 1 number left in this row for the number 3. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 9. Alright. So we have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6 and a 7 is missing, 5 and a 7 in this row. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 2 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 6 and 9. How about these 2 missing numbers in this column? 1, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 and the 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 2 goes. And there now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 9. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 5 and a 9. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Alright. A great 2-star Sudoku. And I've managed to solve this faster than 15 minutes. So is this really a 2 stars? Well, let me give this a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the third puzzle. A tectonic, aka Suguru with 4 stars. See you then. Bye-bye for now.